Good morning, Stanwood Middle School. Today is Friday, January 22nd, 2021. I am Miss Christmas Harris, and here are your morning announcements. You heard me say it. It's Friday, and I hope you all are ready for a great day and a great weekend and celebrations galore. And I hope you're celebrating because you're all caught up in your work. Maybe you're not. We're going to talk about that more here in a second. Today is periods 2, 4, and 6. You know the drill. We'll see you starting at 11:15. You'll stay for the whole time for your meets, and you'll find 3 hours is time today to do all of your classwork. Speaking of classwork, let's know your due dates. Today, all of the work from week 18 is due. Normally, it would have been done on Wednesday, but we had the inclement weather, and so now it's due tonight by midnight. The work that dropped yesterday is due next Thursday. Okay, and we are in the last week of the semester officially, so now it is time to get your groove on. It seems that most of you who do the daily check-in are pretty much on track for success. You don't have too many missing assignments and you've got all your work done. But for those of you who aren't, this is where your routine is really going to be important. Take a deep breath. Make a list. Either divide the number of assignments you have to do and figure out how many you're going to do a day, or work on one class a day to get to the finish line. And you can do it. We know you can. So get going, Spartans. It's the end of the semester. Check your teacher's due dates, turn your work in, and as I said before, teachers are not going to be mad if you turn the work in early. When you get it done, turn it in. Don't delay. Turn it in today. Also, things you could do today is buy a yearbook. You're going to want to remember this year. And you're going to want to turn in pictures to guarantee your spot in the yearbook. So do those things. Happy birthday today to Trace J. and Alexandria S. Over the weekend, happy birthday to Caleb C., Rosemary G., Samantha L., and Gracie P. If you need help, please reach out. We want to get back to you as soon as we can and make sure you have what you need. Today is the drive-through for our Feed the Need canned soup drive, and we'll be accepting donations between 8 and 2 today. And just give us a call when you're outside. We'll come out to your car, grab it, and then put it in the appropriate grade level box. This week's Character Dare is asking you to complete 4 acts of caring before next Wednesday, 1 for each of the categories you wrote down. Then analyze what it cost you. What we do know is that while there's a cost to be caring, in the long run, it's going to help you because you're going to feel better about it. And finally, Spartans, some words of wisdom. This past Wednesday was the inauguration of the United States Capitol, and the youngest inaugural poet in U.S. history, Amanda Gorman, gave a beautiful poem reading. If you haven't seen it yet, it is easy to find anywhere out there. But this quote really rings true. She says, "For there is always a light, if only we are brave enough to see it, if only we are brave enough to be it." How does that deal with persistence? Well, let me tell you. By persevering through the tough times, by leading by example, by showing others how to do things the right way, by doing what is right when the time is right, it's amazing how being that light and being brave helps others do the same. And that's what Spartans do. We do hard things. So as something to think about, this is Miss Christmas Harris reminding you the choices you make today shape your world tomorrow. That's it for your morning announcements. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Get all that work done. You got this, Spartans.